Plumbers see their busiest seasons in late fall through winter and again in early summer, mainly because extreme temperatures cause pipes to burst, freeze, or work overtime, and that leads to a flood of emergency calls. Think about it like this. Pipes are like straws filled with water, and when the weather gets really cold, that water can freeze solid inside the straw and expand, which cracks the pipe open. That is why the coldest months, especially December, January, and February, bring a huge wave of emergency plumbing calls for burst or frozen pipes. Then in the summer, especially June and July, people are running their air conditioners, doing more laundry, hosting cookouts, and using sprinklers, which puts extra strain on plumbing systems that are already worn down. Something a lot of people do not know is that the very first deep freeze of the season, even if it only lasts a day or two, causes more emergency calls than a whole week of steady cold weather later on, because pipes that have not been exposed to freezing temperatures yet are the most vulnerable. Another lesser-known fact is that plumbers often see a small but steady bump in calls right after the holidays, since houses are packed with guests, garbage disposals are overworked from big meals, and toilets get flushed way more than usual. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming plumbing problems are seasonal only, when really consistent maintenance year-round is what actually prevents most of the big seasonal spikes. So a simple tip is to schedule a checkup twice a year before the extreme seasons hit. Another misconception is thinking that leaving a faucet dripping during winter is just a myth, but it genuinely helps relieve pressure inside the pipes and can prevent a freeze-related burst, so it is worth doing on the coldest nights. A third mistake people make is waiting until a small leak becomes a huge emergency before calling someone, when catching it early during a slower season could save hundreds of dollars and a lot of stress. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Joe Batir, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.